Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD changer, satellite radio, universal remote, power sunroof, navigation system, automatic climate control, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.